Myself, K.Narayana Reddy. I am from Math YouTube channel. Today in this class, I am explaining about mean and median. What is meant by mean and what is meant by median? These are all comes under data values. What are data values? Is nothing but numeric values containing some information, that is data. So, this data containing some numerical values, those are data values. Some alphabetical values, those are character values. Okay? These are all comes under data. That is some information. So, what is meant by mean? Generally, mean is nothing but an average. Sum of the terms by number of terms. That is general definition of a mean. But in data values, data analysis, in some numerical tables, in statistical tables, we can use some different types of formulas for mean, to find the mean. Okay? See here, mean is nothing but sum of the all characters, digits or numbers, and dividing with how many characters, digits, numbers are there. That means, suppose 10 characters are there, 10 alphabets are there, means sum of the 10 alphabets divided by 10, that is 10 alphabets, that is average, that is in characters. Take in digits. What are digits? 0 to 9 is called digits. 0 is a digit, 1 is a digit, maximum digit is 9. 10 is not a digit, it is a number. Why? Because whenever there are combination of two digits are there, that is called a number. So 0 to 9 are called digits, and above 10 or above numbers are all numbers. So characters, that is alphabets, and digits 0 to 9 or numbers 10 or above are there. That is, so many are there, alphabets, digits or numbers, whatever it may be. Those summation divided by number of terms, number of characters, number of digits, that is called average. Generally, we can use some formula for mean is mean equals to x bar sigma x by n. This is called sigma, summation. What is sigma symbol meaning? Summation, addition, add all the things we can add in summation. That is sigma. That is called sigma. X is the values. How many values are there in data and data values? In given data. Suppose 6, 7, 19, 24, 100, 200, 350, 600. That is data values. Those are called data values. That is X. N, number of items. There are suppose 7 items are there. That is number of items. That is N. So for example, find the mean of x, 3x, 2y, 7z, minus 2x, minus 3z plus 6w. Okay. What is our formula? Formula equals to sigma x by n. Sigma means what? Summation. Sum of x values. Sum of values. Sum of sigma x means what? Sigma is summation. X means values. Sum of values. That means what are the values? These are character values. Yes or not? X is a character. Yes sir. 3 is a character. Because x is alphabet, and 2y same manner. So summation x plus 3x plus 2y plus 7z minus 2x minus 3z plus 6w divided by how many numbers? Number of items. N is what? is nothing but number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. That is the mean. What is the meaning? Sum of the items or sum of the numbers or sum of digits or sum of characters divided by number of items. Number of items, the items are nothing but characters, digits or numbers. What it mean? So, x plus x, 4x. 4x minus 2x, 4x minus 2x. I have let x is at one place and y another place. 2y, y is there? No. 2y and z, 7z minus 3z minus plus 6w plus 6w. So, x plus 3x, 4x minus 2x, 2y plus 7z minus 3z plus 6w divided by 7. That is equals to 4x minus 2x, 2x, 2y single is there. There is no another character. 7z plus minus 3z is a 4z. Please observe here. 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4, but minus before is 3. So the 3 is smaller compared to 7. That is why 4z. Before the symbol is plus and 6w divided by 7. This is the average or mean for this data values. Okay? This way you can do mean of the given data items or values. I will give another example. See the problem. Find the mean of 23, 67, 44, minus 15, 7, 105, 106 and minus 19. Very important problem this one. What is mean? Sum of the terms divided by number of terms. General meaning of definition of mean, that is average. Here generally we can call it as sum of the items divided by number of items. Okay. Mean equals to solution. Mean equals to sum of the terms or items divided by number of items. Items may be characters, digits or numbers, what it is. Okay. Now, what are some of the numbers or items? Some of the items are 23 plus what is sum? Plus 67 plus 44 plus minus 15. Minus 15 is there. Wherever minus gets, you can give as brackets. Okay? Plus 7 plus 105 plus 506 plus minus 90 divided by how many items or how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, that's all. This is summation sigma x by capital N, number of items. Okay? Now add all these things and subtract 15 and 19, that's all. Simply 23, 67, 90 plus 44, 134. Yes, minus 15. I will write addition is one place and minus subtraction is another place. Okay, plus 7, 7 105. That is 112 plus 506 minus 50 plus into minus minus 90. Okay, that's all. Divided by 8. Now add these things. 134 plus 112 plus 506. 8, 12, 2, 5, 7. And minus 15 minus 19, nothing but 34. Yes? 12, 4, 8, and 4, 7. So, 718 by 8. 718 by 8. Now divide this. 718 divided by 5, 8. 8, 9 is 72. Didn't go. Means 8, 8 ja. 64. Yes. 7 remains. 8 means 8, 9 ja. 72. That is 6 remains. 0.87 ja. 56. 4 remains. And 0, 85 ja. 40. Okay. So what is the value? 89.75. That is mean. Mean equals to 89.75. That is the answer. Okay. In this way you can find the mean of the given data values. Mean is nothing but sum of the terms by number of terms. Okay. So whenever we get tables, there is another formula we can use. Some statistical tables. I will do in future classes. Because generally this is the mean of the given data values. Okay. Now median. What is meant by median? Generally, median is nothing but is a middle term. But there are two cases are there to find the middle term. What is the definition for median? Which is nothing but middle term in a data set. Middle term in a data set. When the numbers are listed in ascending order or descending order, that is important point which you have to observe to find the mean. Whenever you want to find a mean, first of all you can write the numbers in ascending order or descending order. That is important point. Otherwise, if you can't write ascending order, descending order, we can't get the answer. That is not correct. First of all, whenever we want to find median, you can write definitely in ascending order or descending order. What is ascending? What is descending? Simple. Ascending means small to highest, lower to upper, small number to highest number. Descending means descending, highest to lowest, highest number to lowest number. That's all. Okay? So that is important point which you have to observe to find median. Okay? There are two cases are there to find a median. What are two cases? If the number of items or number of numbers, number of characters are odd. What is odd? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these are odd numbers. Okay? So, if the total number of items are odd, that is 7, 9, 11, what it is, then the median is nothing but n plus 1 by 2 the term. That means if you, there are 11 numbers are there, 11 items are there, the median is 11 plus 1 by 2. 11 plus 1 by 2 means 12 by 2, 6th term is the median. That's all, whenever odd is there. Same manner, if the total number of items are even, that is odd, this is even. Suppose there are 12 terms, 11 terms are there, 12 terms are there. 12 plus 1, 13 is cumbersome. Okay? At that time we can use this formula. N by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term by divided by 2. That means suppose 12 items are there or 10 items are there. 10 by 2, 5 plus 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 by 2, 5.5. That means in the middle of 5th term and 6th term. Okay? That means average of 5 and 6 terms is nothing but a median. Whenever there is even number is there. Okay? I will tell you example. See the problem. Find the median of 17, 19, minus 6, 12, 75, minus 67, 64, minus 3, 8. Very important problem. How to find the median? What is the rule to find the median? First of all, you can write in ascending order or descending order. Now I write in ascending order. What is ascending? Lower to upper, small to big. So I will write smallest numbers to biggest number. See here. Now in these data values, solution. Given data values are (17, 19, minus 6, 12, 75, minus 67, 64, minus 3, 8. Okay. These are data values. That is good, correct. But how many items are there? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is odd. Total number of data values are, total number of items are 8, 9. Okay? These are 9 numbers are there. Okay. But one difference is there. 3 and 8 are digits and 6 is a digit. Leave it about that. Don't worry about that. Digit or number, that is different way. So that means total number of items, that digit or number or character, that is different. But we want how many items are there, odd or even. This is odd. Okay. What is the formula for to find the median? Whenever odd items are there, odd number of items are there, n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay? Okay. First of all, I will write in ascending order. Ascending order. What is ascending? Small, lower to upper, or small to big. Small to big. Okay? First you can write small number, after last you can write big number. Small to big. Okay. This is very important point which you have to observe. Or lower to upper. Lower to upper. Okay? Both are same. Don't worry about that. Now is very important point which you have to observe. I will ask one question for you, dear friends. Which is biggest number between minus 6 and minus 67? Which is highest? Which is highest? See, minus 6 or minus 67? Minus 6 is the highest number, not minus 67. Okay? So, in negative values, small number is big one, biggest one. Large number is smallest one. Very, very important point is what I observed. So, there are 3 negative values are there, minus 6, minus 67, minus 3. But minus 3 is the largest value in negative values compared to minus 6 and minus 67. Okay, very important point. So what is this number? Minus 67, not minus 3. In negative values, bigger number comes to small one. Okay, minus degree Celsius, it decreases temperature. Same manner, yes or no? It goes to minus. Okay, so ascending order means what? First of all, which is the smallest one? Minus 67. Minus 67. Next one is minus 6. Next one is minus 3. Now negative numbers are over. Negative digits are over. Next one is positive numbers. Which is the smallest one in positive numbers? See here, 8. Next one is 12, 17, 19. Next one is 64. Next one is 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9 items are there. 9 numbers are there. Now, these are odd. Here, 9 items are there. Okay? 9 items are there. Means what? Formula. N plus 1 by 2 term. Formula for median. Therefore, median equals to n plus means what? N equals to 9. Number of terms is 9. 9 plus 1 by 2. Nothing but 10 by 2. Nothing but 5. Therefore, median is equal to 5th term. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. That is the answer. Okay, in this way we can find the median of given data values. Okay, dear friends, please observe here. First of all, we want to write in ascending order or descending order. After that, we can use formula for median. Whenever number of items are there, or this is formula. I will tell now number of items are even. Okay. See the problem. Find the median of 7, 19, 52, 8, minus 87, 24, 0, minus 19, 29, 34, 50. Very, very important. What is the rule to find a median? First of all, we want to write in ascending order, descending order. Number 1. Second one is number of items. Number of items are odd or even. Okay. First of all, I will write in ascending order. Solution. Given data values are 7, 19, 52, 87, minus 87, 24, 0, minus 19, 29, 34, 15. Okay. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to big, small to big. Which is smallest number in this data values? Minus. Biggest in minus? Minus 87. Minus 87. That is this number. Next one is minus 90. Next is 0. Here 0 means what? See in integers, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 means what? 0 is always greater than negative values. 0 is always greater than compared to negative values. Here we can see 0. Next one is positive number start. Which is the smallest in positive numbers? -7. Yes? Okay, -7. Sorry, 7. 7. Okay. Next one is 15. 15. Next one is 19. Next one is 24. Next one is 29. Next 52. 34. Next one is 52. How many are there? 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay. Total number of items. Total number of items are 10. 10 is even. So, formula for median equals to n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 the term divided by 2. That is n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 the term by 2. That is a median. Whenever even data values are there, even number of data values are there. Okay. Now n is what? N equals to 10. Number of items are 10. Okay. n by 2 turn. 10 by 2 turn plus 10 by 2 plus 1 turn divided by 2. Okay. Now 10 by 2 term means what? 5th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1 6th term divided by 2. So what is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 15 plus 6th term 19 divided by 2. That is 34 by 2. Yes, 15 plus 19, 34 by 2 equals to 17. Therefore, median equals to 17. That is the answer. In this way, you can find the median when given data values are even. Given data number of values are even. Number of items are even. Okay, dear friends, in this way you can do the problem to find the median, and whenever data values are even and whenever data values are odd, and also for mean. Okay, dear friends, practice this, you can get the answer and you can get result, you can remember more time in your brain. Okay? Okay, dear friends, thanks for watching Math Therapy YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Math Therapy and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.